This error commonly appears when you attempt to install new software onto your system. One frequent cause is the presence of leftover temporary files from a previous installation of that specific software. To resolve this, begin by performing a disk cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in your Windows search bar and open the application. Click on OK, then check all the available boxes, and click OK again to delete the files. Another effective solution is to run the installer with administrator privileges. Right-click on the installer file and select Run as Administrator. You can also try running the installer in compatibility mode. Right-click on the installer, select Show More Options, then choose Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab. Select the option to run this program in compatibility mode for, and choose a previous version of Windows from the drop-down menu. Click Apply, then OK, and then try running the installer by double-clicking it. Finally, if the issue persists, you may need to re-register a specific DLL file, namely vbscript.dll. This file is associated with Visual Basic Script. You will find the command line for this in the description section of this video. Search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator. Paste the command into the command prompt window and press Enter. Once you see a success message, your task is complete. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.